Hello everyone. Today the topic for the today's synthesis is to synthesize and submit 7-hydroxy-4-methyl-coumarin. For that we have to take resorcinol and we have to dissolve it in ethyl acetate and form a solution. We will put the resorcinol solution in the burette, and in the RBF we will take concentrated H2SO4, which should be chilled at approximately 10 degree temperature. The temperature should not be above 10 degree. We will pour drop by drop the resorcinol solution into the H2SO4, and for approximately 6 to 7 hours we will keep it on stirring, and after that we will keep the solution in at room temperature for about 18 hours, and then we will filter the solution and obtain our product. Today we are going to synthesize 7-hydroxy-4-methyl-coumarin. The first step of the synthesis is to form a solution of resorcinol in ethyl acetate. We have already maintained a solution of resorcinol in ethyl acetate, and now we are going to pour it into the burette. You can pour it slowly. We can also take a dropping funnel, but burette is more precise because of the dropping end. Slowly we are going to pour whole of the solution. The second step is we have to take 10 ml of concentrated H2SO4. We have to take 10 ml of concentrated H2SO4 into the pipette, and we have to pour it into the 3-necked RBF. This 3-net RBF has been maintained at 10 degrees centigrade by keeping it on an ice bath and a magnetic stirrer, because we have to stir the reaction mixture for 18 hours. Now we are going to pour the concentrated H2SO4 in a chilled RBF, 3-necked RBF. This is the whole setup of the final reaction. We have taken resorcinol in ethyl acetate in the burette, and we have taken H2SO4 into the RBF, and we have maintained the reaction mixture at 10 degrees centigrade by keeping it in a ice bath. We have to add salt so that the ice doesn't melt, and now we will take this magnetic bead and we will keep it here, and we will start the magnetic stirrer. Since we have to start the stirring, we have to maintain the stirring for 18 hours. Okay, our reaction has started. We have started the burette, and it is dropping the resorcinol and ethyl acetate solution. And we have to keep this solution for a few hours. After that, we will keep the solution at room temperature for more than 20 hours. And after that we will filter the solution and obtain our product. This is the final product of 7-hydroxy-4-methyl-coumarin. We have poured the product, the reaction mixture, into the ice cold water, and we will stir it to obtain the crystallized product. After that we will treat it with 50% NaOH solution, and we will again wait for it to dry and form in its crystal form.